Houston could never eat my dust, Texas.
Every single day, I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. Every single day, I'm gonna make something great. That's my way.
Hey superstars, it's your girl Malika, aka Miss Magic, back with another video. So my client is back from Texas where she has moved because I got to get her hair together, but that's a whole nother story. If you are new here, welcome to my channel. Thank you for coming. Go ahead, hit that subscribe button, give me a big thumbs up if you like this video, and hit the notification bell so that you can be alerted when I do post another video. So like I said, she is here from Texas, can't find anyone in Houston to do her hair correctly. So hey, let me know down below in the comment section if you got a bomb silk press stylist in Texas that can do your hair. And this is all wordplay, guys. This is all fun and games. I'm not dissing Texas in any way, shape, or form, but she can't find anybody. So let me know what's up. We in the Shy here. We do silk press. This is silk press capital. So we're gonna go ahead, get her hair together. I gave her a semi-deep conditioner because she's a mother, student, works full time, and she just doesn't have time to take care of her hair. That's why she's looking for a stylist. She had a bad experience with an unprofessional braider in Houston, so that's why I need y'all to let me know where she can find a good stylist, braider, silk press artist, just someone who can do her hair when I can't. I've been doing her hair since she was like 5 years old, and I feel totally responsible, so help us out. But in the meantime, sit back, relax, and enjoy this video.
Brought me many realizations. 20 taught me never be complacent. I've got 20 years and I'm still changing. I've lived 20 lives and needed saving. So I got all these layers stacking out like Tetris. The depths of who I am cannot be seen in metrics. More than meets the eye or meets imagination. Yeah. 'Cause I'm more than just a woman. I'm more than just a person. I got all these dimensions. Ooh. From the go, I was on my own. Had to find a home up in myself. Plant a seed and grow where I stood, 'cause I ain't have a shelf. And it's hard to understand when you don't know my roots. Yeah, it's hard to understand when you don't know the truth. 'Cause we all got some shit that we don't like to mention. And the things that keep me up, they made me who I am, yeah. So I can never sit back, say that I regret it. Every ounce of pain I felt became a lesson. I'm more than just a woman. I'm more than just a person. I got all these dimensions. Ooh. 'Cause I'm more than any judgment. I'm more than who I was, yeah. I got all these dimensions. whatever you need, babe. I see it in your eyes all the time. We could be in Paris or in Spain, in the bathroom on a plane. Girl, I bet you glad you came. You know I'ma make you moan. I'ma make you moan. We could be in Sydney or Vancouver, in the backseat of an Uber. Girl, the way that I maneuver, you know I'ma make you moan. Even over the phone, I'ma make you. I'ma make you. Bend down low, babe. I'll blindfold your eyes. You don't need to see me when you're on your knees. Wait and baby say please, and then I'll make you scream. We could be in Paris or in Spain, in the bathroom on a plane. Girl, I bet you glad you came. You know I'ma make you moan. I'ma make you moan. We could be in Sydney or Vancouver, in the backseat of an Uber. Girl, the way that I maneuver, you know I'ma make you moan. Even over the phone, I'ma make you. I'ma make you.
Baby, you driving me wild, you driving me so crazy. Got me acting out, got me tryna stay sober. Wanted your love and I'm out here hungover. You made me wanna take you to London, Paris. Times were cherished. No comparing to you. Keisha, Karen, Megan, Sharon. Girl, I swear that.
Alright guys, here y'all see that smile. This is the final look. I want to thank you guys for watching. And don't forget, go ahead, give me a shout out down below in the comment section of a stylist that you know in Houston, Texas that can hook her hair up. Once again, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. And I hope to see you guys in past, future, and present videos. Love you guys. Bye.